First of all, I introduce myself. I am Antonio Faccioni, and I'm the responsible of the audio contractor division and installation. So I'm the responsible of this new division that we start in FBT that is involved in installation. And we introduced this new catalog with lots of new products for installation, especially speakers. And we have two different kind of families of speakers. One is a shadow family. In a shadow family is a range of speakers for outdoor application. They are all in rotomolded polyethylene speakers, and they are specifically engineered to stay in outdoor under the rain. They are IP55, and we have several kind of sizes, starting from the little one, 5-inch, then we have 8-inch, 12-inch, coaxial and horn loaded. Then we have a subwoofer, 14-inch, and a line array with each speaker of 14-inch with 2 horns. And with this line array is very powerful. We can go very long through application, like in a stadium, sport arena, and so on. Then we have the other family, is a Harcon, that is used for indoor installation. We have the 5-inch, 6-inch, and 8-inch speaker with the woofer and the tweeter, and also the kind of application is for example restaurant, for bar, or for shops, malls, etc. Then we have other 3 speakers, bigger, 10-inch, 12-inch, and 15-inch with 2 subwoofers. We have a 2 by 8-inch and 2 by 15-inch. We can have, as you can see some sample here, we can have in several kind of colors and several kind of finishing. So we have a glossy finish or a leather finish and so on. So this is on request according to the environment, and you can choose which is the best suitable for the application, for the ambience. We, in this exhibition, introduce also a very brand new system that is MESSE12, multimedia audio distribution over IP network. Basically a multi-room system, because you can manage different kind of music in the several zone or ambience. But the most important thing is that you can manage not only music but also building automation or domotic system. So we can give a look to how it works. With this system you can choose the music source, the zones, you can adjust the volume, for example, and you can choose some basic function of building automation, such as lighting, so you can adjust the lights, the blinder, heating, ventilation, etc. You can implement inside 3 independent protocols, so you can have contemporaneously 3 drivers like KNX, Modbus, and so on. You can choose, and contemporaneously you can have 3 different users that can manage the system. The system that is represented by a main unit. In this main unit, that is PC based, you have a storage with all the music that you can distribute in the several zones. And you can have a desktop console that you can use also for announcements, for example in an hotel or in shopping malls and so on. Or you can have a panel in the wall for all the features, see? And for example here you have the bathroom, bedroom, and so on. You can choose the several zone and the kind of application that you need. For example, you can switch on the light or switch off, the shutter, up, down, and so on.
Basically, it's the same device, only it's a wall version and it's a compact
The
version.
desktop version. The other important thing is that this feature is not an application, is not a software, but is just, because it's over EP, is just a web page. So if you don't want to use this unit or this, you just need this unit that is exactly the same card with all the input, with the Ethernet input and so on. And as display, you can use any mobile smartphone or PC or iPad, whatever you want. The important thing is that you have a web browser, you call a web page, okay, and you can access your own room, okay. Also, if you are, for example, in another position, from here I could take control of my home in Italy, okay. So with my smartphone I can switch off the lights, switch on the music in the room,
right,
and so on, using IP internet network. Okay, so this is a very new things because you don't need any applet, any software, just the web page.
And what about the support that you offer for the installations?
Yes, we of course develop all the projects, so we give a great support to engineers or architects that have to prepare the tender, because we develop the project for them, and when the installer gets the job, we prepare the rack completely, doing all the cabling, all the tests. We configure the software exactly, following the specification, following the needs of the client, and we send directly the complete finished systems. So what we say is that we don't sell exactly the product, but we sell the system. So our installation division is selling a complete system, including projects, drawings, everything. So for us it's extremely important to give strong support to installer and also to the engineer that has to develop the project.
Okay, thank you very much for the interview. Thank you.